Welcome to my first YouTube channel, Terrace Blooms. The purpose of this channel is to create awareness on how to do organic farming, especially on the terrace. So we have experimenting this in 6 months, and we have 600 square feet place here on our terrace. So we grow different types of plants here, the veggies which we need every day, and the fruit bearing trees we have, and also the flowers we have. So the purpose of this channel is that we discuss and we share our thoughts or ideas and how to do terrace gardening. Okay. So we know agriculture a bit, but we don't have any practical background. So my channel purpose is to create awareness on how well we can do this terrace gardening. And before starting to further videos, let us go through the garden tour first. So how we are growing plants and trees here, so that we can create more awareness, right, in the general public. Okay, let's go. So if you see here, we have this thermocol box, so where we put all the veggies here. So we have put amaranthus, and it will usually take 2 to 3 months to grow. So we used to put water every day here, because amaranthus and greens and veggies, they require more water. Okay, and here we have tomato. So tomato needs separate pot planter, okay, or a pot, because it will, if it is infected with any disease, it is spread to all the plants. So we need to separately treat it. And we have chiku here, sapota, and if you see, it's just started flowering. It's very good if you see. So we get very good experience on if we sow the seeds, if we see the buds, and if we see the plants rising, and if we harvest. That's an awesome experience really. If you see, this is papaya, and we put all this 6 months back. So we see the flowers coming up in papaya here. So we used to put water every day for papaya. This also need water, sufficient water. And if you see, this is Israel orange, it is called. Very small oranges, baby oranges you see. And this is 3 years old plant. Okay, it will not grow much, but the size is limited, and it's kind of what you say, bonsai or a dwarf kind of plant. Okay, and this is marigold, as you know. So you get, once you put marigold seed, you get a lot of marigolds here, and only problem is it will occupy the entire garden. Okay, that's the problem. And here we have a pomegranate, and here we have groundnut. So we are experimenting groundnut. This is a container, this is a paint bucket, and here if you see thermocol box again, we have put marigold here. So how beautiful the flowers are. Okay, and this is for decoration purpose, this plant, and you see the paint bucket here again. And again, if you see, we have put orange, normal orange here, and we have put banana here. So I got this banana shoot from my friend in an apartment. He's having two big tree, and we got the shoot from that big tree. And we put one more here, banana. This is a banana, and the growth, you see, compared to this soil, the growth is good in the bucket, okay, because it's getting adequate sunlight here. The sunlight is limited there. Okay. And here you have chili again. This is a container for chili. And this we have prepared for all the gongora, this is called. These are greens. Okay, this is amaranthus, and again this groundnut. Okay. So coming here, we have ornamental pots here, if you see, just for decoration purpose, and you'll get flowers also. So you see this one, this is called morning rose. So morning rose is very easy to maintain. Okay, you'll get a lot of flowers without any maintenance. And if you see, this is one, this is a kind of chain, if you see, chain kind of leaves, okay, which is looking very good. And this is groundnut again, and morning rose again, you see. And this is for show plant, okay. And again, if you see here, we have this green again, okay. And we have this also. These are different greens, okay. So the advantage of this is it will creep. It's like kind of creeper, and it will build roots, okay, from the stem itself, okay. And recently we put this bitter gourd. If you see how big it is growing, and we put this wire so that it will be easy for the bitter gourd to grow. Bitter gourd needs this kind of ropes, and if you attach this rope, it will grow very fast. It will grow very easily. Okay. So if you see here, so this is a 3 feet height planter which we made especially for plants, and we put the soil here, and it's a kind of potting mix which we put. So potting mix consists of coco pit and vermicompost and soil. Okay, equal proportion we should put. And if you see, this is a vertical box, because we have limited space here, as we know. So we can't do much horizontal gardening. So at one point of time, we need to use the space vertically. Okay, we need to build space in the end. So this is the concept of this vertical garden. And if you see, these are bamboos which we got, and we prepare the boxes like this. So this is only meant for green veggies. Okay, I mean this green leaf. Okay, only leafy vegetables we grow here. And if you see, this is a Harpic this container, Harpic liquid, which was empty, and we put this plant here. Okay, coming here, and here you have all the vegetables here, and there you see all the fruits which we covered already. Okay, and now if you see here you have the flowers. So this is a bonsai plant, and it's 3 years old, and see this is in a container. Okay, this is a paint bucket. So this, we should not put soil for this, because if you put soil, the bonsai will not grow. So this is only vermicompost and coco peat. And this is rose flower, and we have hibiscus here, and this is a snake plant. You know, this is good for oxygen, right? And this is a kind of cactus we have, and this is gongora. This is a leafy vegetable. Yeah. And this you see, this is ornamental plant again. So here we are using this space also in the air. Okay, so we have this gongora again, and we have a cucumber coming up here, and we have a morning rose here. So these are the used oil tins which we are using as a plant pot. So if you see here, this is a tub, a used tub, and we put this mint leaves here. So the growth is very slow, I say, this mint leaves. Now it is growing fast. So we put this 3 months back, and now this is a good growth. And this is ornamental plant again, just for show purpose or decoration purpose. And this one we have the waste pipe, and with the waste pipe I made this kind of pot for the plants. And you see this is a Fevicol container, Fevicol which we used earlier, and so we are using this. And here if you see, this is a chick shampoo container, and also these are the bottles which we made, which we cut like this, and which we are using for the pot. Okay. Here this is the coconut shell, and I need to put mud on this. Okay. So I covered my garden completely now. So going forward in the further videos, we discuss how to prepare a potting mix, and what kind of disease a plant will get, what kind of insects or pesticides we see, and which one we need to spray, and how to do this pesticide organically. Okay, we will not go for chemicals related pesticides. Okay, let's see and explore, and we all grow together. And if you have any comments, put it in my channel, and please subscribe so that you can get the latest updates on my videos. Thank you.